As indicated in a previous video, logging on to the WordPress admin screen requires using your logon credentials. We're going to assume that you know how to do this now and have done it, and you are at your dashboard. In preparing to add, revise, or copy a page or post, there are some things you should do first in preparation. And the most important one is to upload media you're going to be using for that page or post. So here's the media library. You can either click media or library. It's going to take you to the same place. And you can upload your media content. Up here, media library has a link, add new, and upload. Choose a file. You obviously have to choose a file first. And I'm just going to go in. When you do that, it's going to send you to your local computer, and it's probably going to come up, if yours is set up like most, with your documents folder shown. If you keep your media that you want to upload in a different folder, you need to navigate to that folder. So let's go over here. I'm just going to go to websites, San Diego School Alumni, and let's use alumni images, and I'm going to click this image right here. So you click on the image. I'm going a little fast here. You click on open and upload, and there is your image in the media library. So for instance, for your pages and your posts, you would at minimum want to upload a nice, fairly large size image for the page itself, so people can get a nice image look next to the text. And then you also want to upload a smaller image for the featured image. The featured image should be sized so that it fits fairly well on the page, and smaller so that it doesn't take up a lot of the computer resources. A good way to find out how to do this is to look at another page that has a featured image and copy the sizing on it and try to use that approximate sizing for your featured image. If you were going to use a PDF, an Adobe Acrobat file as an attachment also, you would want to make sure to upload that in addition to your images. You obviously want to have all of your content ready to put into the article. It's a good idea if you have Microsoft Word or even a text editor, you type out all of your article information first, copy it to your clipboard, and when you revise your page or add the page, you dump it in. Let me quickly just show you how to do that. I'm going to go to a page this time. Let's add a new one. So we're going to take add new, and we'll just delete this later on. So this is going to be a draft, and we'll go in here. I'm going to open up Word. And bring that over so we can see it on our screen. So you would highlight the text in your Word document, in your any type of tool that you use, Pages, a text editor, whatever. You would copy the text, normally Control-C. I do everything on a PC, so these are PC-based commands. I'm going to take this away. I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to go in the Visual tab. Make sure you're in the Visual tab. Control-V, and there it is. Okay. You also want to make sure to choose a category. There are gobs of categories here, and you can also add a new category if you like. So, oops. On this one, I'm just going to say this is about San Diego High School. And then obviously we could come in here and we could add a piece of media. All right. On this piece of media, we clicked on it and we're going to make it left aligned. Watch what happens with the text when I left align this. Now it's up there where it's supposed to be. These are going to be some learning tools that you're going to have to go through. I can't teach every last thing that you're going to need to know. So you're going to need to use the internet and say, Google is my friend, and look up WordPress, editing in WordPress, adding pages in WordPress, on and on. Okay, so I think that's enough for this video. Let's go from there and move on to our next video.